Hi, in this lesson I'll explain embed tag and object tag. So let me see the benefit from each one of them. Embed and object can display picture, website, audio, video in your page. So let me see. So firstly, let me use embed tag and to add a picture, src, and then the name of the picture, headset.jpg. Then let me make another one to add a website, video, and audio. So let me see now. But let me specify the size for the picture. Nice. So here is the audio and the video. There's something wrong with the website. I guess we can't add embed website in the page. Like Google, we can't add Google within the page. So let me add another one. Nice. So here is the website. We can surf it from our page. Nice. Let me now see how we can add the same but using object tag. So object, and to add the picture or the video we will use data tag, and the same thing like before, just the directory. So again, the picture, the audio, the video, and finally the website. So they are the same. So as you see now, you can use embed and object to add picture without using image tag or picture tag, and audio without using audio tag, and video without using video tag, and sharing a website in your page without using iframe. So that's everything for today. Good luck and see you.